Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you will know as and when I bring readings. Now I'm bringing a little different cards today, the Mariel Tarot. I have used it quite often, but I thought let me bring in. That's a beautiful card. The first card which has come itself is a beautiful card, the Magician. Let's see which is the next card which is coming. The Ace of Discs. So let's see what the cards are going to say today as to how your day is going to be. The Magician card. Basically, Magician card, if you see the Magician card, he has the symbol which the Archangel Metatron has. So if you see this, usually this is again more like a blessing of the Metatron's cube. It is the blessing of the Metatron Archangel himself. So what this card says is that if you see there are even two trees, right? So what this card says is today days will be good, it will be magical and things will go the way you want it to go. Usually when this card comes in a reading, it means God is going to give you some good news today. Also, you will know what you want and you will be able to fulfill it successfully or happily. So when I see this card, I feel it is a day of happiness. It's a day of blessings and things will go the way you want. Now coming to Ace of Discs. I would say when I'm seeing this card, a new beginning, a new change. I feel that whatever you are planning today, in the due course you will be able to manage it successfully and be successful in fulfilling it. So today overall when I see both these cards, it's a day of happiness and a day of manifestation, day of fulfillment. So I'm sure it is going to be good. Let's just put one more card and see. Emperor. So it's more like a confirmation that it is going to be a beautiful and a positive day ahead. So today I would suggest to wear the color for the day will be red, because a day where a lot of new things, a lot of amazing things is coming, then why not we focus on being energetic throughout the day. So the color is red today. Today, if possible, go to some Hanuman temple or chant the Hanuman Chalisa at home. Also, in the evening, if you can donate something in black or if you can donate oil to someone in need, it will help you to have a blessed day today. Also, mainly when you donate black to someone, it will help you to overcome your obstacles and be successful in life. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.